keyboard. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together and welcome the MCF youth in the house. Let's show them some love and give them a round of applause.
Standing outside the door of love and mercy, you wonder if there's a place there for you. You know there's peace inside, but still you're searching for someone who understands the pain you've been through. Where the Father waits with open arms, He's calling out your name. Come on in, welcome home. You are loved, you belong here now. No matter where you've been, come on in, come on in. You'll find a place of rest in the arms of Jesus. He's waited so long for your homecoming day. He knows the peace you need and the hurt you're feeling.